je m'appelle Sniti. Je suis ton professeur de français. So, as you all remember that we have completed with the reading part and also the master key of lesson number 7, that is Quel jour sommes-nous? Which day is it? And therefore today we'll be starting with the Q&A part 1, question and answers part 1. So let us start reading with no further ado. First question comes like complete avec le verbe aller. Complete using the verb aller. So here are dashes made और हमें इनमें जो verb aller है उसकी conjugation को fill in करना है. So there are part from 1 to 8 and let us do them quickly. The first one is demain je vais à l'école. It means tomorrow I am going to the school. So here all the conjugations of the verb are in the dash and we need to fill them, and I have made them with the color of red. So next comes second part, that is aujourd'hui tu vas au cinéma. Today you are going to the cinema. Then we have the third one, that is Manuel il va à la piscine. Manuel, he is going to the swimming pool. So piscine is a new word, that is, it means swimming pool, and here we have plage as well, and it means beach. It is also another new word. Then we have the fourth part, that is nous allons à la maison. We are going to the house. Then we come to the fifth part, that is vous allez à la plage. You are going to the beach. This is an interrogative sentence as a question mark is at the end of it. Then we have the sixth sentence, that is Manuel et Caroline ils vont au cinéma. It means Manuel and Caroline, they are going to the cinema. Then we have the seventh one, that is Caroline elle va à l'école. Caroline, she is going to the school. Then we have the eighth one, that is Caroline et Isabelle elles vont à la piscine. Caroline and Isabel, they are going to the swimming pool. So that was all for question number 1, and let us go on to the question number 2. So here we are at the question number 2, that is écoutez et complétez avec un jour de la semaine. It means listen and complete using a day of the week. So now this is also a listening exercise, as écoutez word is used here. So the listening exercise are either given at the back of the book, or we do have a CD at the end of the book. It is attached to it and you can listen it on a CD player. So now let us see to the first one, that is aujourd'hui c'est mercredi. It means today, this is Wednesday. Then we have the second one, that is demain c'est jeudi. Tomorrow it is Thursday. Then we have the third sentence, that is je vais à l'école le lundi. It means I am going to the school the Monday. The fourth sentence means that on Sunday I am at my house. So that is le dimanche je suis à la maison. Then we have the fifth sentence, that is le samedi nous allons à la piscine. It means on Saturday we go to the piscine. Means I have already told you, it means swimming pool. So we are going to the swimming pool on the Sunday. Then we have the sixth sentence, that is mardi ils vont au cinéma. Tuesday they are going to the cinema. Then we have the seventh sentence, that is vendredi elle va à la plage. It means that on Friday she is going to the beach. So that was all for question number 2, and now let us go on to the question number 3. So now here we are at the third question, that is écoutez et dites si les phrases sont singulières ou plurielles. Cochez la bonne case. It means listen and tell if the phrases or sentences are singular or plural, and in this we need to take the right answer. So there are in total from 1 to 8, there are 8 sentences in this question. We need to read them and understand that either are they singular or plural. So we need to take the right option. Like for the first sentence, if it would have been singular, then we would have ticked in the singular column, and if it would have been plural, then we would have ticked on the plural column. So now with no further ado, let us start with the first part, that is it is a plural sentence. Then we have the second part, that is, it is also a plural sentence. The third part is a singular, and the fourth part is also a singular sentence. That's why we have ticked here. In the fifth part, it is a plural sentence, and the last three parts are singular. The sixth one is singular, the seventh one is singular, and the eighth sentence is also singular. So now here we have completed the question number 3, and now let us go on to the question number 2. But before going, bravo to you all, you have completed the question number 3 successfully, and we'll do the same for the question number 4. So here we are at the question number 4, that is mettez les phrases en ordre. It means put the sentences in order. So here I'm going to read these jumbled words one by one, then we are going to put them in order and read the full sentence. So let us see the first part, that is samedi, A, demain, C apostrophe. So that would be demain, say samedi. Tomorrow it is Saturday. Then we have the second part, that is vont, L apostrophe, ils, école, and then we have at last is a. Ils vont à la école. It means they are going to the school. Then we have the third sentence, that is piscine, vais, la, je, a. Je vais à la piscine. It means I'm going to the swimming pool. The fourth sentence is why, sept, il, jour, dans, a, semaine, une. So the sentence would be il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. There are 7 days in a week. And well, that is true. Then we have the fifth sentence, that is nous, quels sont aujourd'hui jours. And then we have an interrogation mark, which is also called a question mark. So aujourd'hui, quels jours sommes-nous? Today, which day is it? So now here we have completed the question number 4 and also the part 1 of question and answers of lesson number 7, that is quels jours sommes-nous. So here, bravo to you all, and well, that is true. And for this video, that was all. I hope that you liked it, enjoyed it, and understood the whole concept of the weeks and the verb aller. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. But before going, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.